Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Sandine with another Read Aloud. This time, I'm going to read you the book, Planting a Rainbow by Lois Ellert. Now, this book is related about colors, all right? So if you're in art class, you love color, it's related to color. It's also related to science. They will be talking about seed packets. These are zinnia seed packets, to give you an example. They will be talking about bulbs. Bulbs is a thing that looks like this, and this is planted in the ground, and then the shoots, which is the little green part, it grows up into plants, into flowers. So they're going to be talking about bulbs. They're also going to be talking about seeds, like these are, let me take them out. These are sunflower seeds, not the ones you guys eat, my friends. No, these are the ones that come out of the sunflower. A sunflower could have about 1,000 seeds. And I know for sure because I had one many years ago and we counted with my kids. And yes, we had 1,000 seeds. So this is part of another sunflower that seeded. Okay, so these are seeds. So we will start with the story, and there will be some words there, like big words, but we're going to be reading them. All right. So the book is called Planting a Rainbow, and it's written by, illustrated by the same person, Lois Ellert. Every year, Mom and I plant a rainbow. In the fall, we buy some bulbs. Orange tiger lily bulb, tiger lily, red tulip bulb, orange tulip bulb. And remember, bulbs are things that look like this in real life. And plant them in the ground. Daffodil, hyacinth bulb, crocus corn bulb, purple bearded iris rhizome. And rhizome is, it's like a bulb per se, but it's like elongated, it's long. So instead of like a circle or an oval, it has like a little stick form. We order seeds from catalogs, just like this one is seeds from a catalog or from a bag. Phlox, morning glory, zinnia, and wait the winter long. Aster, cornflower, marigold, and daisy. Lots of flowers. And by the way, zinnia, boom, this is the real zinnia. All right. For spring to warm the soil and sprout the bulbs. Tulip, tulip, daffodil, hyacinth, crocus. And this is what they mean, sprout the bulb. So this is the bulb, this is the sprout. So there's no flowers yet, but it's growing. It's growing. See? Some more. Tulip, tulip, daffodil, hyacinth, crocus. See that? Beautiful images, by the way. I love it. I love it. Then it's time to go to the garden center and select some seedlings. Seedlings are small plants. They're grown a little bit more, and you can plant them in the soil. For example, a rose, poppy, delphinium, violets, pansies, fern, carnation. See that? We sow the seeds and set out the plants in the soil. I'm going to read you row by row, so just pay attention. Tiger lily, daisy, their seeds. Phlox, their seeds. Aster was seeds. Marigold was the seeds. Zinnia, morning glory, cornflower, and iris. But iris is a rhizome. Rose. Now these are seedlings because these are plants, they're a little bit more grown, and you basically plant them in the soil to make them grow better and grow flowers. So this is again rose, violet, carnation, delphinium, poppy, pansies, and ferns. And watch the rainbow grow. We're talking about the colors. All right, so let's look at the colors and the different plants. Tiger lily, daisy, phlox. Again, they're growing. They're not fully grown as a plant with flowers or bushes. No, it's just the plant. Aster, marigold, which is really good to deter a lot of pests in the garden. Zinnia, my favorite because it grows fast. Morning glory, beautiful. Cornflower and iris. All right. Rose, violet, carnation, delphinium, poppy, pansy, and fern. All right, so all of these plants are growing. They're growing. And grow and grow. Look how gorgeous this is. Wow. Just beautiful. Just beautiful, just beautiful, just beautiful. Beautiful. So now we're going to go by colors. We have some red flowers. The red flowers are tulips, carnations, and rose. This is, of course, based on the garden of this imaginary person. Orange flowers like tulip, zinnia, poppy, and tiger lily. See? Some yellow blooms like daisy, marigold, and daffodils. We grow something green like a fern. Ferns are green. They're just green. They're good to clean environment as well. Some people have them outside. And some blue flowers like morning glories, delphiniums, hyacinths, and cornflowers. I never grown cornflowers. I have grown morning glories. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. And some purple flowers too, like crocus, phlox, iris, violets, asters, and pansies. All summer long, we pick them and bring them home. Beautiful bouquet. When it's all together and tied up, it's called a bouquet. And when summer is over, we know we can grow our rainbow again next year. Yes, because you can collect the bulbs and you can collect the seeds from your plants. Watch a rainbow grow. The end. Wonderful book. Thank you for listening.